Welcome to my dear students. Myself Pratiranjan Behera. I am lecturer in chemistry of Nayada Vidya Mandir Plus 2 Science College, Barampur. So last class we discussed about the Bose-Attic model and drawback, and also discussed about the Planck's quantum theory. Today we discuss the dual nature of matter and light. So previous scientists कौन कहते light is a wave nature. Light is a wave nature. But Planck's, Max Planck's, से कौन कहले light is also wave, light is also particles. Light is a particle. How? से Planck's कौन कहते in case of photon, light energy is absorbed or emission from to high state. So किसी energy से कौन absorb करचे, किसी emission करचे particles. So particles से भी किसी wave nature show करचे बोली Planck's कहले. So light कौन dual nature show करचे. Next scientist हमारा D. Broglie in 1923. Predicted that the microscopic particles like electrons, protons, neutrons, atoms and molecules in motion possess wave properties along with particles. De Broglie कौन कहले 1943 any microscopic particles like electron, proton, neutron, atom or molecules. ऐसे microscopic particles in motion. In case of motion जो थिले से possess करते wave nature with along with the particles. ऐसे वो जितने सो microscopic particles in case of motion में थिले ताके wave nature show करते De Broglie suggest करले. कले any microscopic particles like से कौन करियो either से wave nature like A type से कौन करियो wave nature show करियो both particles से करियो and wave nature show करले एक De Broglie कहले. latest scientist कौन कहले light is dual nature कहले. next scientist De Broglie कौन कहले कौन any microscopic particles also dual nature से proof कहले कहाँ से आजारे like Planck's quantum theory and Einstein equation साजरे रखसे कौन कहले उड़ी इक्वेशन बाहर करता है De Broglie's equation. This is De Broglie's equation. And also De Broglie's hypothesis. De Broglie only से suggest करथिले like हमरा any microscopic particle dual nature show बोली only suggest करथिले De Broglie's hypothesis भी valid. According to De Broglie's all material particles in motion possess wave character. Like according to de Broglie equation, all material particles in motion it poses to wave character. If an electron wave nature, it also have a wavelength lambda. In case of only electron उठे wave nature नेली, wave nature नेली कौन होगा तारो wavelength कितने lambda. Like तुम्हारे like electron इनकी wave nature. This called is lambda. Lambda like wavelength associated with a mass and moving velocity v. Like the lambda is associated with some mass, this is called m, and also the velocity is equal to v. So lambda is equal to, according to de Broglie equation, lambda is equal to h by v. This called is de Broglie's equation. This is de Broglie's equation. Like any wavelength is equal to h by mv. The h is equal to Planck's constant, m is equal to mass of electron, this v is equal to the velocity of the particles. This is called de Broglie's equation. And also कौन कैसे lambda inversely proportional to the is the mv is the mass into velocity. Mass into velocity is equal to momentum. The lambda inversely proportional to momentum. This is de Broglie's equation. It is said to be the numerical equation put and according to Planck's theory and also Einstein theory. Derivation of de Broglie's equation. This equation can be derived by mass and energy relation. For given Planck's and Einstein equation. What is the Planck's quantum theory? I consider a photon energy. In case of light energy, this is called is photon. In case of consider photon energy, the energy is equal to E is equal to h nu. E is equal to photon energy, h is equal to Planck's constant, nu is equal to frequency. We know that nu is equal to is the c by lambda. C is equal to velocity, lambda is equal to wavelength. The nu is equal to c by lambda. तो E is equal to h c by this equation 1. According to Einstein equation, E is equal to mc square. Like m is equal to mass, c is equal to velocity of velocity. C is equal to velocity. This is equation 2. By combining the two equations, this E both are equal. So hc by lambda is equal to mc square. The c can be cancelled. So what is the lambda? Lambda is equal to h by c. This is the lambda is equal to h by c. The c is equal to velocity. In case of this is velocity of the particle, any particle is equal to velocity. So you can see c is equal to b. So lambda is equal to h by mv. This is de Broglie's equation. De Broglie's equation. So lambda inverse proportional to momentum. In case तुम क्या करे large particle लो mass, for example 1 kg. So lambda is equal to inverse proportional to momentum, mass and velocity. It is lambda कौन आसियो very small आसिता, wavelength very small. In case of microscopic particle नो lambda to velocity आसियो कौन high आसियो. फिर से क्या होगा de Broglie's formula. So it prove है कौन तो मोटे कौन any particles like dual natures रखते हैं, either wave nature or particles both हैं so कौन de Broglie's suggested. But next scientist तो होची Davison in 1927. Davison and Germer. जो prove कर लेते हैं तो मर कौन particles होची wave nature and particles but dual nature तुमरो so virtually prove कर के Davison and Germer. As give me the like diffraction. The sum of beam of light diffraction करी से कौन prove कर लेते कौन और होची ये कौन microscopic particles वो dual nature so कौन either wave nature or particles so कौन बोले prove कर लेते Davison and Germer. Clear? Next हम डिस्कस करेंगे न्यूमेरिकल डिस्कस में करिए. First equation, that is the mass of a photon of sodium light. Well, lambda is equal to 589 nanometer. V is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This H is equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power 34 joules. Given the दीजिए, like wavelength दीजिए, like velocity and Planck's constant mention कर दीजिए. तो हम बात करें बड़ा mass of photon, m value बात करें. That according to de Broglie's equation, lambda is equal to h by v. is equal to h by lambda t. तो lambda के दिए 589 नैनोमीटर। आपको मीटर कन्वर्ट कर दिया like 589 into 10 to power minus 9 meter। 10 to power minus 9 meter दिया मीटर कन्वर्ट। So m is equal to Planck's constant 6.6 into 10 to power minus 34 given lambda is equal to 589 into 10 to power minus 9 into velocity 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second। तो कैलकुलेशन करो like 66 10 to power minus 36 divided by 589 into 3 10 to power minus 1 like 66 divided by 589 3 capital like 22 into 10 to power minus 35 divide करो कैलकुलेशन क्या रखियो mass of photon of sodium light। अंदर इक्वेशन मन रखो lambda is equal to h by mv। this is the de Broglie's equation। Question: the mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 to power minus 31 kg if kinetic energy into 10 to power minus 25 joule। Calculate wavelength। Calculate the wavelength। क्लियर तो कैट था सेकंड पचार छेटी इलेक्ट्रॉन रो मास देज नेक्स्ट kinetic energy like mass is equal to 9.1 into 10 to power minus 31 kg and also kinetic energy is equal to 3 into 10 to power minus 25 so we know that kinetic energy is equal to half mg square 3 into 10 to power minus 25। next v square is equal to 2 into 3 into 10 to power minus 25। mass से कौन सा डिवाइड है जो mass is equal to 9.10 to power minus 31 kg and so v is equal to root over 2 into 3 into 10 to power minus 25 9.1 10 to power minus 31 kg is the V value। the V is equal to already 812 meter per second is the velocity of electron wire। V plus less second by किसी कौन तो wavelength like lambda is equal to h by mv like we know that h is equal to Planck's constant 6.626 into 10 to power minus 34 like m is equal to mass of electron 9.1 10 to power minus 31 kg and also v is equal to by calculation बाहर कर लो 812 meter per second. इस value put करो lambda third question, calculate the mass of photon with wavelength 3.6 Armstrong. So given lambda is equal to 3.6 Armstrong, ताकि कौन मीटर कन्वर्ट करो इतना से 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 to power minus 10 meter. 3.6 into 10 to power minus 10 meter. इतनी wavelength. So बोलते हैं कौन mass of photon. We know that lambda is equal to h by mv. So m is equal to h by v lambda. It v the photon is v is equal to velocity of light put करो like 6.66 Planck's constant value 10 to power minus 34 and v is equal to velocity of light 3 into 10 to power 8 meter per second and also lambda is equal to 3.6 10 to power minus 2. It is mass of photon value plus. It is mentioned करने minus हमारा दीजिए photon any light velocity is equal to 3 into 10 to power minus 8. So next I will discuss about today Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So last class हम डिस्कस करते ले Bohr's limitation like Bohr's limitation कौन कहते थे से गोटे कौन एक्सप्लेन करि पानथिले the position and momentum. According to Bohr से it does not explain about the position and momentum. Exact position and momentum से explain करि पानथिले मतलब Heisenberg से कौन कहले गोटे position momentum को मेजर करले मात्र गोटे से कौन कहले certain value ले और कौन होतला uncertainty value बाहर करथिले like according to Heisenberg according to Heisenberg theory it is impossible to measure simultaneously both position and momentum of a microscopic particle with absolute accuracy or certainty. This is the Heisenberg theory. As you can say, it is impossible to measure simultaneously both the position and momentum. Any microscopic particle like electrons, any microscopic electrons, we cannot measure simultaneously both the position and momentum. In case of the position, कौन करियो exact value बाहर करियो, like accuracy value measure करि परियो. Momentum ता कौन हिजो uncertainty. In case of momentum, accuracy value as exact value measure करि परियो. तो position का uncertainty according to Heisenberg both simultaneously the position momentum data value कमे exact value बाहर करि परियो नहीं. एदर गोटे सर्टेनिटी आउटे अनसर्टेनिटी वैल्यू इमित एक्सप्लेन कर से देखो मैथमेटिकली से कौन कहले पोजीशन गोटे अनसर्टेनिटी पोजीशन ले अनसर्टेनिटी पोजीशन इज इक्वल टू del x. नेक्स्ट अनसर्टेनिटी momentum is equal to del p. Next से कौन बोले uncertainty position and uncertainty momentum multiply करें del x into del p either greater than or equal is equal to h by 4 h is equal to Planck's constant eta value से by like uncertainty the product of the uncertainty position and momentum either greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. This is Heisenberg equation pattern. We know that mass into velocity is equal to momentum, so can only separate del p is equal to mass into del p. This is the momentum, so del x into m into del b greater equal to h by 4 pi. This is del x into del b greater equal to h by 4 pi m. Clear? देखो एक क्वेश्चन से कौन सिग्निफिकेंस कौन पाइले यानी सिग्निफिकेंस देखो m तो केडी तळे अछि लाइक तो इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल जे द प्रोडक्ट ता कोन मास ऊपर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल इन केस ऑफ m वन लार्ज पार्टिकल लेवी 1 kg लास्ट पार्टिकल ले कोन हो इन केस ऑफ पोजीशन मोमेंटम मन एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू फाइंड करली del x मतलब del v कोन है जो नॉट एक्यूरेसी और अनसर्टेनिटी वैल्यू इन केस ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल मोनोलिथिक मैक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल नेचर 1 kg दिस इज मैक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल्स कोन बोथ एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू में मेजर करते हैं and uncertainty कोन position or velocity. Any macroscopic particles, example call any macroscopic particles can measure to the exact position and velocity. But मतलब microscopic particle हो like electrons microscopic particles एटा तो मनरा एटा exact value measure करलो एटा कोन जे तमरा uncertainty due to the mass हो कोन न्यूमरेटर अछि बहुत स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स लाइक दीटा तो गुटे कोन पोजीशन बार करे करियो और वेलोसिटी करे इन केस म देखै गुटे मन रोटे एटा अछि इलेक्ट्रॉन एटा तुमको करे फोटोन लाइट दियो फोटोन देला जेतले फोटोन पडिबो मतलब पोजीशन तुम एक्यूरेसी मेजर करो मतलब से कवर तार वेलोसिटी को चेंज होतो तार पोजीशन कोन कंटीन्यूअसली चेंजिंग होतो चेंजिंग हेले कोन एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन तुम मेजर कर दो तो वेलोसिटी कोन हे जिवो अनसर्टेनिटी हे इन केस ऑफ वेलोसिटी तुम पोजीशन कोन आइडेंटिफाई करो पोजीशन तार अनसर्टेनिटी हे काहे ड्यू टू तार कोन पोजीशन बार से कोन चेंज करो एतिबे आबे तुम गुटे वैल्यू तुम कोन करियो सर्टेनिटी बाहरबो आउट कोन हे जो अनसर्टेनिटी like to go trajectory is not possible to trajectory of electron तब electron trajectory not possible for microscopic particle मतलब macroscopic particle it is possible to trajectory of electron any particles microscopic particle trajectory possible but microscopic रे not possible सेतमे ए दीटर गुटे वैल्यू के तमे सर्टेनिटी वैल्यू बारे आउटे अनसर्टेनिटी वैल्यू जे सिग्निफिकेंस कल कोन फर्स्ट मीन्स हो जे एनी माइक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल्स ते कोन हो सर्टेनिटी वैल्यू ले आउटे अनसर्टेनिटी पर बोथ केरले तुम एक्यूरेसी वैल्यू अचीव कर सकते माइक्रोस्कोपिक पार्टिकल्स रे बोथ एक्यूरेसी मेजर कर ड्यू टू इट इज पॉसिबल टू फॉर ट्रांजेक्टरी this is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle like the both travel कोन एक्सप्लेन कर पड़तले नेक्स्ट साइंटिस्ट ऑफ Heisenberg एक्सप्लेन करले uncertainty principle देखो ए Heisenberg एक तरह न्यूमेरिकल आसीबो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन calculate the uncertainty in the velocity of a mass 2000 kg whose position is known to an accuracy of plus or minus 10 meter like h is equal to 2.63 into 10 power minus 39 34 this h is equal to 6.66 into 10 power minus 34 joules क्वेश्चन देखो मेंशन कोन करछे कैलकुलेट द अनसर्टेनिटी इन वेलोसिटी एतो डेल v वैल्यू मास कर दीजिए 2000 kg नेक्स्ट एक्यूरेसी पोजीशन एज प्लस और माइनस ए प्लस नो यूनिट पोजीशन टा लाइक del x is equal to 10 meter we know that del x del p is equal to जेटे either greater than or equal to h by 4 pi and del x into m into del p is equal to h by 4 pi and del x into del p is equal to h by 4 pi m तो del p का करिया like del v is equal to h by 4 pi m into h is equal to 6.626 10 to the power minus 34 4 into pi value 3.142 m is equal to 2000 kg del x is equal to 10 meter by calculation करो like del B is your 2.63 into 10 to power minus 39 meter per second. This is the velocity of particles. Del B is equal to the next question. A golf ball has a mass of 40 gram and a speed meter per second. If the speed can be measured within an accuracy of 2%. Calculate the uncertainty on given this देखो like a golf has mass is equal to 40 gram, like velocity is equal to 45 meter per second. If the speed can be measured with an accuracy of 2%. Accuracy value केते आसला 2% कारण ए velocity रो accuracy percent केते आसला 2%. So velocity is equal to केते आसला 45 like 2% of 45 into 2 by 100. Like 45 to 2% केते आएगा 45 into 2 by 100. This is 0.9 meter per second. Next time कौन बात करेगा position like del x into del v is equal to h by 4 pi m. And del x is equal to del x बाहर करेगा velocity is equal to 0.9, h is equal to 6.6 into 6.626 10 power minus 34 4 into 3.142 mass is equal to ये ग्राम देइछे तब केजी रे कर दियो 40 by thousands like 40 into 1000 and सब एमकेएस रचना नहीं मीटर पर सेकंड एटी हम पके देले जूल पर सेकंड h प्लैंक्स कांस्टेंट सो ग्राम तुम्हें केजी रे कन्वर्ट कर दियो एटी मल्टीप्लाई करो del x is equal to 6.626 10 power minus 34 1000 minus के कितना सीट है 31 divided by 4 into 3.142 40 into 0.9 by calculation करो like del x is equal to 1.46 10 to power minus 33 the answer is so today's a complete for two dual nature and uncertainty principle. So today topic is over. So next class I will discuss about to the important topics like electronic configuration. So thank you.